Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze sihlanje.
No asiphephile sidalo futhi sizizwa nje kubuhlungu ukuthi abaholo sopolitiki bathi asisuke lapha endaweni eziyingozi kodwa ayikho imizamo abayenzayo mhlawumbe ukuthi masisuka la sizoshona apha sinayo indawo esingasuka siyophephela kuyona.
Isifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal sesiphinde sakhahlanyezwa imvula enamandla ihlandla lesithathu esikhathini esingaphansi kwenyanga kanti kulokho kuphangala lo wesifazana omuke nemoto yakhe ePhayindana.
It's going to be correct action, so and so. It's going to take time to deal with this spreading reviews. It's not going to be a 3 months period.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana uvele ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele ezemali namhlanje ezochaza kabanzi ngesabelo mali asethulwe ngolwesithathu.
On count 1, the murder of Mpho Donald Ndou, the accused is sentenced to life imprisonment.
Usekiglatshezwe ngodilika jele uEnoch Ndou nowalahlwa amacala okudubula lamalungu omndeni wakhe ayisikhombisa ngoKhisimusi wangonyaka u2021. Indaba kaQambula Nkomo kuba silahlekile siyakufunza bekwasohlangane siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze. Sesiphinde sehlelwa umshophi futhi isifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal njengoba elembube liphinde lahlaselwa imvula enamandla mbukela amahlandla amathathu elandelana. Lokhu kwenzeka ngaphansi nje kwesikhathi esiyinyanga. Kulemvula kushone wesifazane wasePhayindana entshonalanga yeTheku kubika ukuthi ke imoto abehamba ngayo igugulwe amathandala amanzi emfuleni oseduze.
Izimvula ezinamandla zisaqhubeka nokuna KwaZulu-Natal ikakhulukazi ezindaweni ezisogwini. Imvula iqine kakhulu ngolwesine kusihlwa kulandela isexwayiso sesigaba sesithupha ezivela kwaSouth African Weather Service. Amathimba ezimo eziphuthumayo athole isidumbu sowesifazane ngolesihlanu ekuseni ngemuva kokumuka nemoto yakhe ePinetown.
So the rainfall that fell last night was rather intense. We received multiple calls in and around from Kloof, Pinetown and of course in this area. Multiple first responders arrived on scene. We had people from Belito, IPSS Search and Rescue. We had Metro Police Search and Rescue. We had the teams from the various organizations from ER24 to Netcare, ALS paramedics. Everybody had come out and were on the ground searching. A woman had been washed away in a vehicle.
Imvula enamandla iphinde yadala umonakalo emakhaya nasemabhizinisini. Izitolo eziningi eKloof Village Mall nazo zingenelwe amanzi.
There is so much of damage that has happened and we've had going to have a loss of trade today because we are unable to trade today.
Izakhamuzi ezihlala ezindaweni ezivame ukuhlaselwa izinhlekelele nezakhe osebeni lemfula zithi nakuba belulekwe ukuthi baye ezindaweni eziphakeme kodwa abaningi abanandawo abangaya kuyo.
No asiphephile sidalo futhi sizizwa nje kubuhlungu ukuthi abaholo sopolitiki bathi asisuke lapha endaweni eziyingozi kodwa ayikho imizamo abayenzayo mhlawumbe ukuthi masisuka la sizoshona apha sinayo indawo esingasuka siyophephela kuyona.
Isexwayiso sesimo sezulu sesigaba sesithupha kumasipala weTheku kanye nezingxenye zesifunda uGu, iLembe kanye noMgungundlovu kanjalo nesixwayiso sesigaba sesine kwezinye izingxenye zesifundazwe siyaqhubeka ngempela sonto. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni zeSABC eThekwini.
Ihhovisi likaMgcini Mafa lithi ukwenyusa intela eyisebenzi kanye nezinkampani eingamabhizinisi bekungeke kube iseliphusile ngoba lokhu bekuzokhinyabeza izinga lokwenyuka komnotho wezwe. Namhlanje ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana ubephambi kwekomiti elibhekele ezemali ePhalamende.
Oxompikiswano yokunyuswa kwerhafu yentengo isaqhuba eParlamente kwaye umphathiswa wezimali uthi isigqibo sokunyusa le rhafu kulonyaka uzayo singatshintsha.
The 2.5 assume everything remains the same. Any changes in our revenue structure, we may drop that comma.
Isebe lezimali lisikhusele isigqibo sokunyusa irhafu yentengo.
We were concerned that increasing personal income tax or corporate income tax would be more negative for employment, savings, investment and growth than a value-added tax increase.
uGodongwana uyaziphika izitsholo zokuba khange azithathele ingqalelo izindululo zombutho we-DA.
GTech has done 240 spending reviews. Let me just give him a complicated one. It says on the rental stock, we are paying 45% than the market price. I trust McPherson. But if you had to give McPherson to implement that today, just to unravel one rental, it's going to cut action, so and so. It's going to take time to deal with this spending reviews. It's not going to be a 3 months period.
Amashishini amakhulu kwaye nabantu abatyebileyo nabo abazokusinda kwiphulo lokuqokelela irhafu.
What we then took as an initial stab for wealthy, and we started collecting data of all individuals who on registers own more than 50 million of assets. That was our first stab. That revealed to us that there were about 2,800 individuals who would fit that category.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani, Philip eParlamente.
Siyashabalala njengamazwe lebona ilanga isikhathi sokuthi amaqembu ezombusazwe angaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano avumelana ngesiphakamiso sokwenyuswa kwentengo yempahla ethengwayo. iDA yona ivele yazenyula yathi ngeke iseseke isabelo mali besethulwa ngqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana.
Njengamanje la kuleli lifuna ukubona ukuthi ngabe lesabelo mali sizokwamukelwa yini njengoba nje kunamaqembu angahambisani naso.
That a VAT increase is the right way to proceed, especially if it is not accompanied with bold economic reforms.
We support this budget because we feel a budget must be credible. It must demonstrate the source of income.
Bambe ekhuli iqhaza kwezemali kuleli iphawulile nayo.
The money that we have been allocated will be focused on driving a debt recovery program for SARS.
Njengoba amanye amaqembu ezohlangana nje ensukwini ezizayo kusangaba nethemba lokuthi kuzofikwa ezivumelwaneni kuvunyelwe nohulumeni aqhubeke nomsebenzi wokuhlinzeka izakhamuzi ngeyidingo nqangi.
Kuhlwemini kwaphela amahlathi kuEnoch Ndow umbulalo ephindelela ngesikhathi egiqatshezwa ngudilika ngamacala okubulala amalungu omndeni wakhe ayisikhombisa ngoKhisimusi wangonyaka u2021. Kulesihluko esinyantisayo esenziwa uNdow wabulala owesifazana owezethwele kanye nezingane ezine. Ubebonakala ebakaze nganto lehayiza ngesikhathi kwehliswa isigwebo.
The murder of Mpho Donald Ndow, the accused is sentenced to life imprisonment. It is ordered in terms of Section 280 of the Criminal Procedure Act that the 15 years imprisonment sentences imposed on counts 2 to 7 are to run concurrently with the life imprisonment sentence imposed on count 1.
Ukuphela kobunzima beminyaka emine emndenini wakaNdow. Umpho nonkosikazi wakhe uPoshwa nezingane ezintathu badutshulwa besekhaya labo ngoKhisimusi ka2021. Umfowabo kaMpho nezinye izingane nabo badutshulwa. Ingane eneminyaka esishiyagalolunye ubudala yakwazi ukubaleka yangalimala.
The reason why they resorted from not talking about what has befallen their family was that they don't want Funzo to recall and probably relive his devastating experience and dwell on thinking that he was an orphan.
Using
his personal automatic pistol to South African judiciary and prosecution. It's a shame.
People were expecting harsh sentence since he is looked at about 7 to 8 people. So 25 years, meaning in a 10 years time or so, he can come out and still kill all of us because he's capable of doing that.
Undow wayeneminyaka engama-56 ubudala wayesebenza njengomhlengikazi egumbini labagula kakhulu ngaphambi kokuba abulawe.
Owabe umsolwa phambilini nosephenduke ufakazi wombuso ecaleni lokuthunjwa kukaJocelyn Smith uLaurentia Lombard namhlanje utshela inkantolo ukuthi wezwa umama lentombazanyana uKelly Smith kanye nasolwa nabo becije itulo lokudayisa uJocelyn Smith.
uLombard uthi ngosuku olwandulela ukunyamalala kukaJocelyn Smith wezwa uSmith exoxa nesoka lakhe malungana nemali ayinikezwa isangoma. Akugcina ngalapho uSmith wabonakala ekhuluma nowesifazane owayehamba ngemoto emhlophe ekseni ngosuku kwanyamalala ngalo intombazanyana.
And Kelly said for Buddha.
And Kelly said to Buddha, Buddha,
hier is die geld.
Here is the money
wat die sangoma gegee het.
That the Sangoma gave. And the Sangoma gave.
En Buddha vra.
And Buddha asked.
Vir Kelly.
Asked Kelly.
Hoeveel geld is dit?
Wanted to know how much money it was.
uLombard uthi unina kaJocelyn Smith wathembisa ukubafumbathisa ukuze bengayithi vu indaba.
I give now my child.
Verkoop aan 'n sangoma.
Sold my child to a sangoma.
Ek en Stefano.
Myself and Stefano.
Die tyd wat Kelly sê sy gaan vir my R1000 gee en vir Stefano dis R200.
The time when Kelly said she was going to give me 1,000 and 1,200 to Stefano.
Ons het die aanbod aanvaar.
We accepted this offer.
In that ons mona moet hou.
Then we must keep quiet.
Icala lizoqhubeka ngomsombuluko.
Bukela ke sithi ugwinyamathe siyodayisa uma besibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi.
As a comedian, sometimes when he made comedy around depression, we just thought that he's taking the topic to the stage.
Bekubuthene umndeni kanye nabangani bezothi Ndlelanhle kusomahlaya kanye nomlingisi uEbeneza Dibakwane embombela esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Asikubingile sikwamukele imbukeli mosanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi isifundazwe kwaZulu-Natal sesiphinde sakhahlanyezwa imvula enamandla ihlandla lesithathu esikhathini esingaphansi kwenyanga kanti kulokhu kuphangale lo wesifazana omuke nemoto yakhe ePine Town. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosiyensu Ramokgopa uthi kuyinkinga enkulu ukungasebenzi kahle kwamanye amaziko eEskom. Usho lokhu ngesikhathi ehambela iziko leEskom ilithabo esifundazweni iFree State.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Hosiyensu Ramokgopa uthi baphezulu kwemizamo yokubuyisela leli ziko esimeni esicwilisayo ukulandela ukungasebenzi kwalo kahle emasontweni ambalwa edlule.
Some of the issues that are coming up is the conversations we're having at Letabo, just enabling the station managers, the GM, the agility and the speed to respond to outages to ensure that they are able to procure quicker, faster. And it's the things that Mr. Ngumalo, as the head of generation, because that's his domain, will be able to engage with the GM and find a way that is long-lasting but enables and empowers the station managers to respond with speed in relation to the trips and the units failing.
Le nkampani ephakela ngogesi ithi izokwethula uhlelo lwayo lwasebusika emasontweni ambalwa ezayo.
Our first prize as Eskom is not to have load shedding, and for us as generation, but we will share with the country. Winter is at least better than the summer months because we don't have rain, thunderstorm and all of those things, because as you've seen our operations, some of them are outside. So if there's thunderstorm the whole day, it means there's people that we need to look after their safety there. So winter we only have to deal with cold.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uRamokgopa ahambele namanye amaziko eEskom emasontweni ambalwa ezayo.
Amalunga aqavile ebukhosini bakwaZulu asenxuse ukuthi kube nobumbano kuheleza umoya woxolo endlunkulu kaZulu abafo abebesile sebuza sabanyande eZulu umdlokombane bebebamba isithanga mina bezindaba eThekwini kwaZulu-Natal namhlanje.
Abantwana basendlunkulu bathi izindaba zangaphakathi endlunkulu akumele zidingidwe ngaphandle. Abantwana bathi kuyabakhathaza ukuthi abantu bangaphandle baxambukela ezindabeni zomndeni wasendlunkulu.
Ngoba kuduma ukuthi indlunkulu ixabene. Into esingayazi thina sihlala khona lapha eGodlweni. Indaba ukuthi nje akubona ngasolinye. Okwenziwa yini abantu bangaphandle. abanamakhaya kubo abanemizi yakubo ongabe balungisa inkinga zemizi yakubo.
Abantwana laba bakhuluma phambi kwenu bashumayela ivangeli lobumbano. Yes, ngaphambi kokuba sizonitshela nina beindaba silwenzile ucwaningo ngoba nathi isekhona ingwepho bakhona abantu abadala esithathise kubo izinto ezithize ukuze singatsheli isizwe okungekhona ngoba sikhuluma ngezwe elilodwa. Inxushunxushu azikho endlunkulu ukubambisana kuphela esikulwelayo nokubuyisana ubumbano.
Uma bebuzwa ke ngodaba lwesihlalo nokwenzakalayo endlunkulu bathi abazimisele ukuphawula ngezindaba zangaphakathi endlunkulu okwamanje. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC iseThekwini.
Isihlava sodlame eluyamene nobulili siyaqhubeka nokuba ingqinamba enkulu esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Phuntombe Khaya Galo neminyaka engama-42 ubudala kwembulwa kwembeswa kuyena esibhedlela ngemva kokugwazwa amanxeba angama-27.
Galo luthi umntwana wabo uhlukunyezelwe kwikhaya labo. Olusapho luthi lusothukile kwaye lufuna ukubona umrhanelwa egwetywa.
Kabuhlungu kwi-special case yoba ingaqala kwenzeka yonke lento lapha endlini. It's not the first and previously bidla ngokwenzeka ndikhona ndiyi-witness.
Siyanqwena into bangaba umthetho udlala indima yawo ngoba kaloku asinawenyamezela into ba sibe nedlobongela eloluhlobo imani ingena phakathi sasemvalile nakulomzi.
Xoba uthi aliqela amatyala avulwayo kodwa aphinde acinywe.
Abantwana ba traumatized abakwazi ulala ebusuku bayothuka and uAthayanda bekhe watsho uba utata yakhe ufuna ahlale ejele akasafuna umbona.
Itshanhliziyo elwela ukuhlukunyezwa kwabantu lithi ekulweni ukuhlukunyezwa kwabantu ngokwesini kudinga ukuba kuqwalaselwe ingxaki zengqondo kwabo bahlukumezayo.
I just want noba intoni le ibamba icase ingakwazi ukuyophumela. Iske yade yangathi i-trend or i-fashion okanye more of a systematic organized crime apha amadoda kwi-patriarchal society edefendana khona.
Isebe lezempilo ephondweni uthi ukunyuka kwezinga lokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu ngokwesini kuyaxhalabisa kummandla wase-OR Tambo.
Ezininzi konquza nakwezinye indawo kodwa ke le ibusikhathaza kakhulu kuba kaloku umuntu obesihamba naye.
NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma kwindaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Ubekwendaweni yakhe yokugcina eMbombela esifundazweni eMpumalanga ubusomahlaya umlingisi kanye nombhali uEbeneza Dibakwane. uDibakwane kwamenela ukufa ngoLwesihlanu lwangesonto eledlule eneminyaka engama-30 nomuvo.
Umndeni nabangani bamhlonipha kokugcina uEbeneza Dibakwane ochithe ingxenye enkulu yempilo yakhe enzamahlaya. Ubephinda ahlekise nangodaba olungakhulunywa abaningi lokugula kwengcindezi ngokomqondo.
As a comedian, sometimes when he made comedy around depression, we just thought that he's taking the topic to the stage. As a stand-up comedian, we thought that that's how he's making the people to be aware of mental health, but we never knew that he's struggling with it to that extent.
Umndeni wakhe unethemba lokuthi ukudlula kwakhe emhlabeni kuzoba isikhumbuzo sokuthi uma ukhungathekile ngokwengqondo kufanele usheshe ufune usizo lochwepheshe, kanti nabanye abakulomkhakha bagcizelele ubunye nokubambisana.
We are the people that are paid to make people happy, but nobody really takes time to find out how we are doing. I wanted to just encourage the industry, first of all, that it's okay to speak about some of those feelings that you're feeling.
In every room that is able to fill it with laughter and joy and excitement. I think that's what we're going to miss the most about him.
Umndeni kaDibakwane uthi uzomkhumbula ngokuqhakambisa obumqoka bokuthola usizo bongaphansi kwengcindezi ngokwengqondo.
Mhlahlo simo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukela isiZulu esesincelebeleni sithi ukuhlehla kwenqama akusikho ukubaleka isuku sayithatha amandla ziyaguqa lapha bese kuphathele zona. Thina amaZulu ke asikho kulempela sonto zakwethu abasakaza ngolimi lwesiXhosa yibona abazokuthatha bebheke thina sesiyobuya ngomsombuluko. Sale kahle.